You know, it was a perfect storm, really. A huge storm system came through, fell on frozen ground, fell on a lot of snow and caused a lot of melting, and a ton of water just started flowing down rivers and overflowing the embankments and flooding many houses in the area.
Name's Lynn Brown. I'm from Valley, Nebraska. I've lived here most of my life, all 68 years. I've been through 4 or 5 floods, and it was pretty bad. But when we got here into the house, we had about 38 inches of water here down in the basement. We had it a lot better than a lot of our neighbors.
Samaritan's Purse is responding. We have volunteers on the ground working. We are primarily mudding out homes and basements, and there's a lot of challenges associated with the work here, just getting through the mud and working in these homes.
The drive for me to come out and volunteer is to encourage somebody. We just started doing a complete demolition in this basement with water all over the floor. Hauled out books, furniture, rugs, sheetrock, just helping this woman out who really could not do it on her own.
I mean, they did a spectacular job. I call them angels. My wife said, yeah, thank God for them.
Guys are awesome, I'll tell you.
I can't imagine being faced with a flooded out basement, not having the physical strength or resources to even know where to begin, and then have a group of people like Samaritan's Purse show up and say, we're here to help. We're here to help. Whatever you need, we will help you with. I think it's huge.
And we hope that what we've done here gets you a little further down the road.
Obviously, the physical work is so important to these homeowners, but we want to go deeper. We want to go into the other storms in their life, the other hurts in their life, and address them and encourage them in that. Bring hope and healing to them in the midst of their despair. Thank you so much for your prayers, for your support of us here in Nebraska. Continue to pray for the people here and continue to pray for the teams on the ground too as they go out and serve in Jesus' name.